We'll solve the equation 3t plus 7 equals 2t minus 5. Now, taking a look at this, we see that we have a t term on each side of the equal sign. And the first thing I'm going to do then is to collect all the t terms on one side of the equal sign. And I can do that a couple of different ways. The way I'm going to choose is to subtract 2t on both sides of the equation, which will put the t's on the left-hand side. So I'm going to write 3t plus 7 minus 2t equals 2t minus 5 minus 2t. Now 3t minus 2t is 1t, or just t. And we still have the 7 on the left-hand side, so t plus 7 equals 2t minus 2t is 0, so I have 0 minus 5, or negative 5. Now to get t alone on the left-hand side, I can subtract 7 on both sides of the equation. T plus 7 minus 7 equals negative 5 minus 7. 7 minus 7 is 0, so I have t plus 0, or just t, on the left-hand side. Negative 5 minus 7 is negative 12. So we can say then that the solution of the equation is negative 12.